Hi guys, hope you're doing good. I'm so excited today. You know what? I got something new for my kitchen. It's nothing but Instant Pot Ace Plus blender. You know, I love my Instant Pot like anything. That's what made me to buy this Instant Pot Ace blender. Let's go ahead and unpack this. I got my scissors. Let me unpack it. I'm done with my ribbon cutting ceremony. Here you go. Can you see this? Ta-da! Instant Pot Ace Plus blender is here. Let's open it. Can you see the excitement in my face? The first thing I got is strainer bag. Can you see the packing is well done? Here we go. I have all these things. I have blender and my jar. Let me take the jar first. It's so heavy. Can you see? This is so heavy and it's so sturdy. And I have my blender. And I have a manual. And I have a 3-in-1 food tamper here. Let me open it. This is for cleaning the jar, brush, and this is for pushing the food inside. Let me open it. Okay, this is the blender. It's not heavy, but it's very sturdy. Okay, for you guys, let me list out the options it has. It has smoothie, crushed ice, nut butter, nut or oats milk, pulse button, delay start button. We can increase or decrease the speed using this button. And I have a start or pause button, keep warm, cleaning button, rice milk, soy milk, puree and soup button. This bag is really cute. We can extract all kind of plant milks out of it. The jar is made of glass and the lid looks like plastic. We have both the options, hot and cold. For hot food like soups, we can just make soup inside it and blend it and have the soup. And for smoothies, we can just add the crushed ice and all the fruits and make smoothies out of it. Can you see the base inside? It has blade as well as the heating pad. I can just put my veggies inside, cook it inside and just blend it and have the soup. Isn't it cool? Yeah, I love this thing. And also I have less utensils to wash. It's a very cool thing. Let's see the jar. The jar is made out of glass and it has a lid that has two parts. This opening is for adding liquids while grinding smoothies, purees or soups. Can you see the lock and unlock images given in the lid? It should match this smaller one. The lid fits in only one direction. The blender gets switched on only if the lid closes properly. This is the food tamper. This is for pushing the food inside if it is sticking to the side of the jar. This is a brush to clean the jar. Cold beverage, it can hold up to 56 ounce. For hot, it can hold up to 48 ounce. And this is the base part of the jar which is attached to the heating unit. That's why we cannot use this jar in the dishwasher. We have to clean it with our hand. I have high expectation on this cute little gadget. Let me play around with it, try different recipes and share my thoughts with you guys. If you already own this blender, please share your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you want me to try and share some particular recipe using this blender, please let me know in the comment section. I'll surely try to post that recipe. I'll keep you posted how this blender works for me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more Instant Pot recipes and Instant Pot Ace Plus blender recipes.